Ideal Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Good morning, my dear students. Session 11, Class 6 Standard, Subject English, Topic Sea Turtles, Section 3. Sea turtles. Many of these tiny hatchlings, which weigh less than 20 grams each, will not even reach the sea. They will fall prey to crabs or birds even before they reach the water. Most of those that do make into the water will also be eaten by many predators in the sea within the first few days of their lives. In this passage, the author says, the tiny hatchlings weighed less than 20 grams when it was born. Most of the hatchlings wouldn't reach the sea because some birds and crabs killed them and ate them. Some predators in the sea ate them within few days when they were born. In fact, scientists estimate that only 1 in the 1,000 hatchlings becomes an adult. It is perhaps to ensure that enough hatchlings survive to keep the spices going that sea turtles lay so many eggs. In this passage, the author conveys the scientists estimated only 1 hatchlings of every 1,000 became an adult. If the sea turtles had laid so many eggs, they maybe survived their lives then. Next passage. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchlings that have become adults return to the same beach where they were born. They come there to lay their own eggs. How they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries of these fascinating reptiles. In this passage, the author says, after so many years, the female hatchlings swam in the open ocean. When they became an adult, they returned to the sea at the same place when they were born. They came to lay their eggs at night. It was a hidden secret how they found their nest after so many years. It was an amazing one for these attracting reptiles. Next passage. Sea turtles are among the many wonderful creatures we share this planet with. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years, but sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in grave danger. There are many factors that threaten their survival. People hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nest of motorboats. In this passage, the author conveys one of the wonderful creatures in the world is sea turtles. They faced so many natural dangers for millions of years, but the humans are the most dangerous to the sea turtles for last few years. There are so many obstacles in sea turtles' life. The people hunt them for meat and collect their eggs to eat. Sometimes the sea turtles trapped in the motorboats accidentally and lost their lives. Problems like pollution, dumping of plastic into the ocean, and construction activities on nesting beaches also hurt their survival. Only by systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats can we ensure that sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come. In this passage, the author conveys the sea turtles faced many problems like pollution, dumping plastic into the ocean, and construction activities on nesting beaches. The only way to save that sea turtles were on the hands of humans. If we didn't take any steps, we wouldn't see this wonderful creature anymore in the world. Dear students, I hope you understand this session. Let's see some turtles pictures. This is the picture of green sea turtle. This is the picture of hawksbill. Okay students, see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.